Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a beautiful set of holographic bling nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going in with this Just My Luck polish by Color Club, and I'm going to do that on the nails that I'm doing the bling on. So that will be this ring finger and her middle finger, and then on the other hand it's going to be her ring finger. Once again, that is in the color Just My Luck by Color Club. I did get this from my local nail supply store, but I've heard that they also have them at Walmart. So if you want it, go check out your local Walmart. If not, you can find it on eBay as well. And to clean up around her cuticle area, I am using my 2-in-1 cleanup and nail art brush, which will be on my website pretty soon. And just a reminder, my website is back down for restocking, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with my IBD gel top coat, which is a non-cleanse. Whenever you're doing the chrome, you do have to use a non-cleanse top coat, and it does have to be gel. So once again, I'm using my IBD gel top coat, which you can find on eBay, and then I'm gonna cure each hand for 30 seconds. And for me, I have to only cure for 30 seconds because if not, the chrome would not stick. So make sure you find what works for you. You might have to cure yours for a little bit longer or less, but I'm only curing mine for 30 seconds. And once again, this is the IBD gel top coat, and it does have to be a non-cleansed top coat for the chrome to work. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with my makeup wet sponge. I dip it into the chrome and then I just rub it on the nail. I'm only doing the ombre effect, so I'm only doing it on the tip, and then as I get to the middle of the nail, I kind of just blend it in right in the middle. Once again, I dip my my sponge into the chrome, and it doesn't take a lot, so you just barely even dip it in there and then just rub it on the nail. As you can see, I just do it on the tip, and then as I get closer to the middle, I just barely like tap it, I guess I could say. So as you can see, I rub it on there and then just blend it in the middle. And remember, it doesn't take a lot of chrome. That's why the chrome do go a very long way, because you do not need a lot. Once again, I'm using a makeup wet sponge. You can get these from Walmart, Dollar Store, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walgreens, wherever. And they're just the makeup wet sponge. So now I'm going to go in with my bigger bling. So for that, I'm using my hard gel, and then I'm using my wax pencil and my bigger bling, which will go in the middle of the rest of the rhinestone. So once again, I'm using my hard gel, I'm using my wax pencil to pick up the bling, and then I'm just laying down my hard gel with my cleanup brush, or you can just use a gel brush. So once again, I'm using this hard gel. I'm applying it with my cleanup brush, and then I'm using my wax pencil to apply the big bling. And then we're going to cure these for 60 seconds, and we're going to come back and do some more bling. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Mia Secret Gel Resin, my wax pencil, my SS6, and my SS12, and I'm just going to fill in the rest of the nail with those rhinestones. Once again, I'm using my Mia Secret Gel Resin, my SS6, my SS12 bling, and my wax pencil to apply bling around the bigger pieces. Alrighty, so after we finish applying the bling, I am going to come back with my Mia Secret Gel Resin Activator, which is the spray that helps the glue dry faster. So you just want to spray it on the nails, and then I'm also going to go back and do my IBD gel top coat, and then we're going to cure them for 60 seconds. Same thing for this hand. I'm going to go in with my Mia Secret Gel Resin, and I'm going to fill in the rest of the nails with the bling. Once again, I'm using my SS6, my SS12, my wax pencil, and my Mia Secret Gel Resin. And I will have these back on my website pretty soon. Once again, I am restocking. That's why my website is down, but I'll keep you guys updated. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. That chrome is just beautiful, and that bling is just everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.